Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a Word document to an ePUB file using Google Docs. So as you can see, I have my Word document here and I'm going to open my browser, then go to Google Docs. Now open it here and let's go to blank document, file, open, and go to upload. Then let's drag our document here. And this is a document. It just says test. Let's go to file, download, and you should see ePUB publication here. Let's click on this. So this is the file, and this is, let's click on open file. And just open in my ebook reader, and we have the file open here. Test. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.